Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. Wanted to do a quick video to summarize the financial support options from the government. I've seen a lot of kind of conversation in some closed Facebook groups and the like, and there's a lot of kind of misinformation out there. So further to the CREA email that came out last Friday, wanted to just sort of summarize the ones that are applicable to us in real estate. So the first is the Canadian Emergency Response Benefit, so CERB, CERB. So that's the one that's most applicable for independent practitioners. Anybody who operates personally received a T4A in 2019, and so basically you don't have a corporation in Alberta that you're earning your commissions into. In a separate video, I'll talk about the elements for those people who have a corporation. But to keep it simple, this is the $2,000 a month that they're talking about and has been discussed. So it's the equivalent of $500 a week for up to 16 weeks currently. So this is for self-employed people, i.e. you received a T4A from the office last year, and you can apply if you have not received income for the last 14-day period or 14 days in a row. So the way that's interpreted in our industry is the receipt of income is when you actually get the paycheck. So the challenge for us right now is that that's work you did 2, 3, 4 months ago when you sold the property. They're taking possession now and you're getting paid that paycheck now. So it's a support program. If you haven't received a commission check in that 14-day window, you can apply for the $2,000 subsidy, and you just have to make sure you're not going to have another paycheck come in after that to be able to receive, continue to receive it. So hopefully that makes sense. It's designed for self-employed people, and that's totally separate from the 75% wage subsidy. That's designed for people that are incorporated or businesses that are incorporated and have staff. So that's designed to help subsidize administrative staff, basically, or payroll staff. So to just clarify on the timing, it's 4-week periods that they're looking at are March 15th to April 11th, then April 12th to May 9th, and so on. So we'll have a list of those below in the article that we put out for this. And your best week to apply or best day of the week to apply is based on your birthday. So if you were birthed in January, February, or March, you should submit on Mondays. April, May, June birthdays, submit on Tuesdays. July, August, September, submit on Wednesdays. And October, November, December is Thursdays. Any month can do Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So I think it's smart of the government to try to space these out a little bit. So make sure that you set up a MyCRA account if you don't already have one. It's a bit of a process to validate that. You can use your online banking with your bank as one of the verification methods. It's faster than waiting for CRA to mail you the confirmation. If they mail it to you, they're going to mail it to the address that was submitted on your last tax return. So you have to remember as well, if you haven't submitted your 2019 taxes or they're going off 2018 taxes, pay attention to that because it's where they're going to mail it and send confirmation to the address that you filed on your taxes. So other information for personal, taxpayers and realtors is extensions to the tax filing and payment deadlines. So for individuals, you can now file your income tax and benefits returns as late as June 1st. So encourage you to get it done sooner if you got time on your hands and can get your taxes done. But they've extended that filing deadline to June 1st. And the deadline to pay any balances has been extended from April 30th, which it normally is, to September 1st. So that's a big reprieve for a lot of people as well. You still owe the money, and the interest will start to accrue after September 1st, but you do have that extra time, so you can hold on to that cash for other uses in the meantime. And then for Businesses, basically they've extended it similarly to September 1st if it's a December 31 year end. So we also have another article blog on the rivercityrealestate.ca site that has all the links for mortgage deferral. So it's a list of all the companies, thanks to one of our mortgage partners, and property tax for the city of Edmonton and other municipalities in the surrounding area, as well as utility providers, specifically the ones owned by the city of Edmonton, which is EPCOR, but many of the other ones as well are providing deferral options. So let us know if you have any other questions or is anything we can support with on that front. And we're all in this together, and we will get through it and come out stronger out the other end.